In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your pronouns in a Zoom meeting. This feature is a thoughtful way to introduce yourself and ensure that everyone addresses you correctly and respectfully. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can start using this feature effectively. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Zoom account. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the Zoom dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will find a section labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all personal information and settings within your Zoom profile. Following this step, you'll be taken to a new page where you need to click on Profile. Here, you'll find various editable sections related to your personal details and account preferences. Now, within your profile section, look for the Edit button. Clicking this will allow you to modify your profile information, including your pronouns. This is a great opportunity to make sure all your details are up to date. Once you're in the edit mode, you'll see a field designated for pronouns. You may find this field under your name sections. It's important to fill this in accurately based on how you wish to be addressed, whether it's she, her, they, them, he, him, or any combination that suits your identity. Type it out here. After entering your pronouns, you'll see an option that reads, "How would you like to share your pronouns?" Click on this to reveal sharing preferences. Here, you can decide when your pronouns should be displayed during meetings. You might want them to appear in every meeting or possibly only when you're asked. This customization is key to controlling your privacy and comfort level. The final step involves selecting your sharing choice from a drop-down menu. Be sure to select the option that aligns with how you wish to share your pronouns. Take a moment to think about what feels right for you in different settings. Before you finish, double-check all the information to ensure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, save your changes to confirm. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your Zoom profile with your pronouns. Not only does this help others address you properly, but it also fosters an inclusive environment. This simple addition to your profile can make a significant impact in creating a respectful and welcoming space for everyone in your meetings. Thanks for following along today. For more helpful guides and tips on navigating digital platforms like Zoom, be sure to stay tuned or leave a comment if you have any questions.